fucking jump.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. We have a little treat for you today. As you guys can see, you see what type of box this is. I'll give you some spin action on the box. Then we'll give you some box action itself. See if we get that label up in there for you guys. I hope it whatchamacallums, I hope it focus. But you can see that there's already a little bit of damage on the side of my box. This video is also about the quality control of the Jordan 5s. This shoe is the Air Jordan 5 Retro Special Edition Apple Green Black Vert. That's a Pokemon, a Palm Noir, aka the green apples. Now, as soon as I opened this shoe, I saw a stain on my midsole. There's nothing major. I'm going to try to let you guys see it. Both these shoes I have are in pretty bad shape. Because like I said, the quality control of the Jordan 5s have been terrible as of late. But we're going to go through. This is a very nice shoe. I have two other pairs for myself. This is a pair for a customer. I think I'm going to end up taking it back. I'm going to try to let you guys see the best quality of this shoe as possible. This is the best one in this box. The other one is a little damaged due to the fact that Nike is not properly quality controlling the shoes. But other than that, this is a very cool Jordan. As I look at it, it's just more and more damage on the shoe. I just love this shoe, especially for everyone who wanted to get the PE. Let me try to get this in here. You guys can see that little spot there. There's black spots all over the shoe, bad glue areas. I don't know what this is on the heel, but I hope you guys can see that like a little tab or something. But other than that, this is a pretty good Jordan. I hope all you guys got the hit. Like I said, I'm most likely after I do this video taking this one back and complaining about the quality. But you see it has excellent green suede. It's just a really, really good shoe. Alright guys, let's get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. I have something special for you. This is the first custom Nike by you, made exclusively for the Ozone. I'm going to show you what you get in the bundle if you get this shoe. This is the Ozone Hyrunner Red Sox Forever Edition Air Force Jordan 1. Let me try to get you guys a little bit of this label. This is a Nike by Omar, even though I didn't make this one. My dad made this shoe. He's an eternal Red Sox fan, and for those of you who don't know, not only do I have one of the largest shoe collections in America, I also probably have the largest Boston Red Sox New Era hat collection in the world. I probably have every one made since about 88 or 89 up, especially the World Championship and field worn editions. But let's get into the shoe, guys. Enjoy the hats in the background. All Boston Red Sox fans, go Bo Sox. Everybody in Boston that I don't see that much anymore, this is for you. So, try to get you guys, let me move the hat so I can move this back a bit so you guys get full shoe up in there. I got it, my dad designed this shoe. Everybody who works for the Ozone will be getting a copy of this shoe. This is, again, the Hyrunner Red Sox Forever. Woo, it's a beautiful shoe. Should have bought out both shoes, but I won't. Back of this shoe says red, as you guys can see. The other one says Sox. So you see it's in Red Sox color way. You'll get both the hats that I just showed you, the World Championship 2004, the World Champion 2008, a custom Ozone Boston Red Sox New Era hat, and a Boston Red Sox pin with each shoe purchase that you buy. So I'll give you guys another look at this side again before I hit the bottom. Again, this is the Ozone exclusive Hyrunner Boston Red Sox Forever Collection Edition. Let's get you guys that bottom. It said you receive the shoe, 3 hats, and a custom pin made to go on the shoes. Maybe a Boston Red Sox dongle while supplies last. You'll start producing this shoe starting October 1st. Thank you for everybody that pre-ordered. This is the first samples they sent in, so I kept a pair for myself. And this is my dad's pair. Like I said, everyone who works at the Ozone will be getting a pair of these shoes. It feels good to have a custom Nike to be able to give out. Like I said, this collection that is going out is only available at the Ozone. Thanks, guys. Let's get to the next shoe. Alright, guys, this is our final shoe for this episode. As you can see by the box, you should know what type of Jordan this is. I'm going to give you guys the full 360. I don't know if you guys watched my other review of the Nike Zero Movement shoes. I'll give you guys a little bit of label action. Hope it focuses. Let's move close and try to stabilize. Let's get her down. This is the Air Jordan 1 High Zoom Air Black Flash Crimson Wolf Gray. I don't know who's coming up with these names for these colors. This is another recycled Nike. I'll give you guys a little bit of 360 action. So you get the extra pair of laces. Show you guys the back. These Jordan 1s that they have been producing have been pretty crazy this year. I think the Tokyo Biohacks might be my favorite Jordan so far this year. Jordan 1 at least. Really don't, let me get you guys a closer look at the bottom. This is why I really don't like this shoe. I have bought a pair for wearing and staring. I probably don't keep my wearing pair and just keep the staring pair and this pair, and that one will go on sale because I don't know if I'll be keeping this shoe. The value's dropped, but I still should be able to sell it for retail. I just don't like the shoe again because of the bottom. I guess it's not really a bad Jordan. It's an okay Jordan. I'm going to give you guys another 360. The tongue is awesome. The quality of the shoe is awesome, being that it's made of post-consumer materials. Let me show you the extra laces again. You could go, I don't know, I think this is orange. But, you can go with the black laces that are in. The shoe is made of some type of wool or fabric material. It's not leather. So maybe that's why people don't want it. And you have the exposed foam upper. I hope you guys could see that. And then, like I said, you get this bottom here, which is clearly made of the post-consumer materials. But I'm going to make sure I get that in focus for you guys so you can get a good look at the bottom to see if you want this Jordan. Not a bad Jordan at all, just not my style. Like I said, I'd rather have Tokyo Biohacks or something else, but like I said, I have this pair in my collection, so we're going to move forward. That's it for this episode, guys. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, tell me what shoes you want to see in the next episode. We're going to keep on forging forward. We're not going to miss a release for the rest of this year or next year, so make sure you tune in. Every sneaker release will be free-handing, and I'll be showing you guys the shoes I get. We still got over about 3,000 pairs of shoes to go through on the channel. I've been messing with this RTX 3080. I was lucky enough to be able to get my hands on one. I'm waiting for it to be delivered now. Going to make a video on that when that gets in. We're going to go for, I got the PS5 as well. So for everybody who likes my gaming content, we're going to have a good time. I just got to get the Xbox, and I'm going to go for a 3090. So make sure you guys stay tuned and support the show. Everybody have a nice one and stay safe out there. Everybody fucking jump!